Okay, hello again. It's time for another watch unboxing. Today I have a G-Shock I just got from Macy's, ordered it off the website. They had a sale on it. This is a tool watch I'm going to use for work because I work at Amazon, work in a warehouse. I don't want to watch. I want to watch so I can, obviously wear in an industrial environment that's not going to get, that I can bang around, knock around, and maybe even drop and not have to worry about it. So here's what it comes with. Warranty card, international warranty card. Instruction manual. There's the instruction manual. That's if you live in California. So I don't live in California. So let's see, what do we got? Looks like this. Oh, I also got this. Came with this too. It's a little, I don't know if I'll ever use this, but it's kind of cool, I guess. It's all right. Nothing special. But let's see what we got here. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. Looks all right. There it is, there it is. Wow, I think it's even set correctly. Yeah, I think that time is actually right. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. No, so I'll have to change the time. It's not quite correct. It's a little off. It's an hour off for some reason. Because it's 5:30 now. At least, yeah, it's 5:30 now. So I'll have to change this. But that's it, pretty much. So that looks pretty cool. Let's see if I can get the focus a little better. I'm not familiar with all the functions yet, so I'll have to make another video about that once I go through them all. But strap is plastic basically, but this watch is a little over $100. It's not, it's not really one of the fancy G-Shocks. So here it is. Here's the model. And you got, I'm not sure, you got two buttons here, one here and one here. I'm not sure what they all do yet. Then you've got two more over here, one here, one here. Again, not sure what they all do yet. I'll put it on now. I gotta take off my Seiko. Let's see. Oh, I'll have to freaking cut that, I guess. Oh, let's take a look really quick here. So the strap is a little weird. Okay. So that's it. That's what it looks like when it's on. Not too bad, not too bad. It's got two kind of teeth there. It's very light. It doesn't really weigh much of anything, but at least I can knock it around. I can drop it or whatever. It probably won't break. So it's perfect if you work in an industrial environment, So, all right. So that's my new G-Shock. I'm looking at a couple of other G-Shocks. I will do another video once I get them. But that's going to be it for now. Okay. So that's it. That's my G-Shock unboxing for today. I'll make another video when I figure out all the features. So that's it. Bye for now.